guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically organize and sort your files on CapCut PC. So for instance, I want to put these in a folder named CS Counter-Strike. So I'm just going to select this, and then I'm going to select new folder with selected item. And if you go back to all here, just double click. You can right click and rename them. I'm just going to name them name it Counter-Strike 2, and I'm going to press save. You can also sort stuff here: time created, the name, the file type, the duration, sound first, that shortest to longest. And here you can also search for like only videos. This is audio, and there's image as well, and that's all. And you can also sort it by list as well. Here you can see like the time frames and stuff like that. But yeah, just double click that to view the folder that you've created. You can also right click to delete and stuff. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!